What's up, guys? Happy Friday. I just thought I'd make a quick video because I had a phone call, and it's been so long since I made one of these videos. I didn't even know if my little gyroscope thing would have power, but fortunately it's working, and here we are. So we've been getting a lot of phone calls. People are like, hey, what can I do to decrease my insurance cost, right? And it's understandable. I mean, we've seen some massive rate increases across the industry because of multiple factors, right? We had last year's winter freeze, this billions upon billions of dollars storm that's just extremely costly. One of the most costly storms in Texas history. We've seen just massive inflation. I mean, if you've been to the grocery store anytime this year, if you've gone to purchase anything this year, you're going to notice that things are costing a lot more than they were, and that impacts the things that go inside of your home. So we look at the cost of lumber, the cost of labor, and the cost of transportation in determining what a home's rebuild cost is going to be. Remember, your home has three different costs, right? You have your market value. You want that to be as high as possible. That's when you put the sign in the front yard and you list it for sale. That's what you're planning on getting for it, right? Then you have your assessment value, and you want that to be as low as humanly possible. That's what the city and the state, county, your county appraisal district is saying your home is worth, and that's what you're getting taxed on. So you want that to be super, super low. And then you have your dwelling value, right? You have your insurance rebuild value. You want that to be 100% accurate. I'm assuming that when you bought that home, you want that home, and if something happens to it, you want it back. And so when the cost of labor and the cost of lumber and the cost of transportation increases due to just inflationary pressures, your insurance costs are going to go up. That said, people are not taking advantage of all the discounts that they're eligible for. I just had a call with someone. They had that, hey, getting a little expensive, wanted to see what you can do. And I go, absolutely, right? Let's jump in. Let's look at it. And I looked at it, I'm like, you don't have your auto insurance here, right? Do you still drive a vehicle? And they're like, yeah, absolutely. Man, you're missing 20%, right? So home auto discounts about 20% on the home with us, about 15% on the auto side. So you're getting discounts on both ends, right? You're getting it on the home end, you're getting it on the auto end. We throw in an umbrella, make sure that you're properly protected, and then we get even more discounts, right? I don't think I put this in a video recently, but we recently ran a proposal for someone, and to give them really low coverage limits on their automobile and their home cost the exact same as giving them our highest coverage on automobile, on the home, adding an umbrella and adding a life insurance policy. So they could get home and auto with auto not being that great, or home and auto with auto being really great, an umbrella policy and a life insurance policy for less than just the home and the auto. That blows my mind. And so the client's like, well, I had home with you in the past. I had auto with you in the past. We ended up moving the auto, but we kept the home. And we just really want to focus on the home. And I go, hey, I 100% get that. But my job is to make sure that I educate you on your coverages and make sure that I help you understand your applicable discounts, ways that we can help you save money, right? We all want to save money. I want to save money. I'm sure that if you're watching this, you want to save money, I'm guessing. And they just kind of were like, no, we don't really want to look at the auto. And that blows my mind. So when you have an insurance agent, when you have a financial advisor, when you have a realtor, when you have a loan officer, and they're saying, hey, let me help you. This is what I do for a living. Let's figure out ways that we can help accomplish multiple goals and help positively impact multiple outcomes and take advantage of discounts. Look at it, right? I mean, we're all here to help. None of us show up in the morning saying, I wonder how much I can make off of each customer today, because that's bad business, right? We want to make sure that we do the right thing by you, that we onboard you as a client, that we keep you forever. And one of the ways that we keep you forever is making sure that you get all of the discounts that you're eligible for. The other thing, and I say this time and time and time again, we are heavily regulated by the Texas Department of Insurance. They monitor rate. Okay, so there's really only a few ways that you can manage or control your rates, right? Number one is taking advantage of all the applicable discounts that you're eligible for with that carrier, right? So make sure that you're doing a discount on it. The other thing that you can do is reduce your coverage. I think that's a bad idea, but you can reduce your coverage, or you can increase your deductible, your skin in the game, right? Those are really the only three things that are going to have an impact on your rate. So you're either leveraging discounts, you're reducing your coverage or you're increasing your skin in the game, that's the only way to increase your savings and decrease your premium and your rate. So a couple things, food for thought. I know it's Memorial Day, but had that call and just thought about it, wanted to get it out there. Take advantage of professionals, right? We're all here to help. We went to school for it. We got licenses for it. Let us help you. Help me, help you. Hope you're having a great Friday so far. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. I know I'm looking forward to getting some extra time with Katie this weekend. But at the end of the day, please make sure that you take a moment to remember why Memorial Day exists, what it is that we're thinking about, that we're memorializing those who've given their ultimate sacrifice in support of our nation, our Constitution, and our people. And please take a moment to pay tribute to them on Monday. Appreciate you watching this. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.